In this lesson, we'll import all the images and put the images into the right order with the layers. We'll put up the asset folder. We have 6 images. Here's the first image, second image, third image, fourth image, fifth image, and sixth image. We're going to combine all these images together in Photoshop. Let's right-click on the first image and open with Adobe Photoshop. If you don't see that option, go to Other, go to the Applications folder, find Adobe Photoshop, and then click on the Adobe Photoshop app and press Open. Next step, let's go back to the folder, click and drag to select the other images, and drag them into the preview area and drop them. I'm going to open up Photoshop so we can see the image better. So if we turn the eye off on the first layer, we'll see the layer underneath it. If we turn off that eye, we'll see the layer underneath that one, and so on, all the way to the bottom. So this procedure will be better if we have this guy here on the bottom of the layers panel. Let's turn off the eye on this layer. The next layer that should be on top of this layer should be the other guy standing in the background. Let's bring him down here. The next layer should be this guy. He's in front of the guy that's standing here, so he should be higher in the layers panel. We can put this guy next, and then this guy here, and this guy on the top. Let's save the Photoshop document. File, Save As, last name _ first name _ masks - layers.psd. Make sure the format is Photoshop. I'm going to save that inside of the Assets folder. Press Save. This lesson will continue in the next video.